My name is Martin Schmer, and in this video I'm gonna tell you exactly my story about making videos on YouTube. I've started 1.5 years ago, and back then I was very unconfident. I didn't have any charisma to make videos at all. Just look at these videos.
So I'm going to start with a basic intro
And you will see that I couldn't hold the eye contact. I was very shy and I couldn't influence the audience. And back then I was always comparing myself to others, and I was looking at topics that others talking about. And because of this, I was limiting myself, my own thoughts, to create own topics that I want to project into my videos. So now I've realized that make videos if you were in a bubble. Because if you're in a bubble, only when you're making videos, you are thinking about ideas and thoughts that you are thinking of, not because you watched a video on YouTube or you are seeing some interesting thing that you wanna copy paste it into your video. I was doing this shit, and this doesn't lead to anywhere, man. People wanna see unique content. People wanna see something that is radiating from yourself and not from someone else's video. So the second thing is, it's a good thing to ride a trend. It's similar to copy paste, but if you can identify a trend on YouTube, for example, Hamza I has a trend right now that is popping off right now. People making videos about watching Hamza once, or Hamza, you were right, or I don't agree with Hamza, or there's a lot of different topics on this, and they're popping off right now. If you can identify a trend, do it, man, do it, and your channel will pop off eventually. People want to see related content to a popular one. So the third one is, nobody wants to see the same video. So if you make unique content that stands out and a topic that hasn't been revealed yet, that leads to success, man, because people want to see unique content. People want to see something that is new. People are always looking for the new stuff. Nobody wants to see this cliche bullshit, meditation, journaling, working out, how to fix my life, depression, anxiety, how to get rich quick now. Nobody wants to. Yeah, there's people who wanna get to know about this, but people wanna see new stuff. Mainly, that's what I'm here for. I wanna create unique stuff that hasn't been revealed yet. I wanna create a cult, just like Hamza. We're supporting young men and supporting everyone who is willing to change their life for the better. So the fourth one is, if you're not looking at others' videos, you can think more clearly on your own ideas, and you're not clouding your mind with someone else's stuff. And the most important thing is that you're not comparing yourself to others. This is cliche. I know that you've heard this a lot, but when you're comparing yourself to others, or you're watching someone else's content, your self-esteem is going down, you're going down, and it will make you feel like that I'm not good enough, I shouldn't be doing these videos at all, and so on. But if you are in a bubble, if you are just yourself and you're thinking and you're doing your own stuff, eventually you will pop up, eventually you will succeed. Or if you're watching at all someone else's content, be aware of this. So the fifth one is that I'm trying to implement Hamza's mindset. He were talking about that back then when he was a little YouTuber. He was always thinking of these YouTubers like Better Ideas and Ali Abdal and these self-improvement YouTubers. And he was looking at them that if these guys could do it, why couldn't I make the same thing just better? Fuck these guys. And I'm trying to implement the same thing. Fuck Hamza. If he could succeed Why couldn't I succeed? Why couldn't I achieve the same thing as he did? I'm not trying to hurt Hamza. I'm just trying to say that I'm not letting him steal my self-esteem. So as a conclusion, I feel like that the less I'm watching other videos, the more my mind is getting powerful on topics, if you know what I'm talking about. And if you're starting right now, make videos that is currently in your mind and that truly interests you, and others will eventually relate. So, this is it, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye, guys. Yeah.